Man, I try you. No, to the side. You know, Big G's gotta get wavy in the wave pool. Brooklyn the Gummy ain't nowhere to be found. Brooklyn Gummy, I said, Bae, come home. She said, bro, I'm from Connecticut. Damn, Bae, I'm trying to get wavy in the wave pool. Big G's went on the take on the whole team. Oh, yeah. Look, man, no hands. I can wash your whip with no fucking hands. With no fucking hands. With no fucking hands. Ah! Ah! Whoa, they got lights in this hole. Oh my God. God damn. I don't know, the windshield wipers, you get stuck on that bed. Ah! 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 Attack of the wires. Ah! 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 Oh God! Oh God! Ah! It's Sideshow Bob! Ah! It's Sideshow Bob! Ah! Don't kill me! I'm not Bart Simpson. Sideshow! Sideshow! Oh shit! I thought that nigga thought I was Bart Simpson. Nigga thought I was Bart Simpson or something, cuz. My heart racing. Got the whip on neutral. Big G's don't have to touch nothing. Big G's ain't got to touch nothing. Oh man, this is where I practice my herb bending, I guess. Big G's went on the take on the whole team. Oh yeah. Damn, that bitch gonna take the antenna off, ain't it? I have to take this video for whoa. Yes sir. Yes sir, we over here. Springdale Shopping Center, man. Y'all pull up on this little car wash. Mr. Clean Express car wash, you know. Big G's over and out. This is Hood News reported her live. I remember I went to Hispanos some time before. Big G's reported her live. Hood News. I tell you, 99 to the side. The last. Chris Brenda. Getting the whip clean and ready to go. Can we go? Do we have a green light? Red light? Green light, okay.